Okay, so this IBFS is obtained using LCEM, and we observed that there is a tie in most negative Dij value. So I showed you how to form a loop considering an even number of cells, one unoccupied cell, that is the cell which has the most negative Dij value you have to include in the loop, and other remaining odd number of occupied cells will be there in the loop. Okay, so we are considering this particular loop. Here we consider D22 equal to -1. Okay, in the loop. Do you understand this? Or to form the loop? To form the loop. Okay, so all of you can see this is the loop we have formed. We are considering this cell. Okay, we are considering this cell with -1 value. So here I am putting plus sign. Do you understand it? Say yes or no. And around that I have chosen these 3 cells which are occupied. Okay, so this is allowed here to form a loop like this, and then alternate plus and minus signs I will give. As I have put plus sign in the cell whose cost is 3, that is 2 cell में मैंने plus sign डाला है. देखो, I will just use some different color for the signs. Plus, can you see this? That means you are going to make this cell occupied. So some units you will have to put in this cell. Accordingly, you have to adjust above. Okay. If you are taking out some units from this cell, you have to give some units here again. Again, you have to take out some units from this. So this is how you are going to balance the supply and demand again. Because you cannot exceed the supply, you cannot give more than available units, and you cannot give, and you have to satisfy the demand also. Okay, have you understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now have you written this part? I am erasing it now. What is the next step? From the cells where you have negative sign, okay, choose minimum of 2 and 8. How many units are placed in the cell which has negative sign?
2.
Cells 1, 2 and 2, 3 have negative sign. Okay, so you have to go to the cells which have negative sign in the loop and see the number of units placed over there. Here in 1, 2 there are 2 units. Here in 2, 3 there are 8 units. So how many units we can adjust? Of course, minimum units we can adjust. Because if I am taking 8 units from here, can I take 8 units from here where there are 2 units? मिनिमम क्यों लेना है, समझा क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, क्योंकि अगर आपने मैक्सिमम लिया तो आप 8 यूनिट्स में से 8 यूनिट्स निकाल सकते हो. बट कैन यू टेक 8 यूनिट्स फ्रॉम 2 यूनिट्स फ्रॉम 1 to cell? That will give you negative number of units, which is of course not allowed, right? And therefore we will choose minimum of 2 and 8 from occupied cells. Everyone is getting this? So how many units I'm going to adjust?
2 units.
2 units. That is, we will adjust 2 units, but where we will adjust? In the cells which are in the loop. Okay, the cells which are not in the loop, say this cell. Here I'm putting star. Okay, these cells are not in the loop. There we will not make any changes. Okay, they will be as they are. Finished writing this? Finished or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am erasing this part. And here again I will make a new table. Okay. And we will adjust so that you will understand the difference. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so 2, 7, 4, 3, 3, 1, 5, 4, 7, 1, 6, 2. Now I am writing the allocations as they are in the previous table, which are in which I have put a star. Okay, so these allocations will remain as they are: 7, then 7, and 7. Coincidentally, they are same here. Now tell me, what should I put in the cell 1, 2?
0.
0. That means it will become an unoccupied cell, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what should I put in the cell 1, 3?
6.
1,
5.
3, 5.
5 units.
Because there are initially 3 units, now you are going to put 2 more units in that. Now as you are putting 2 more units here, if you return with 8 units, that will exceed the demand. Okay. So I have to take out 2 units from this cell. 2, 3. 2, 3 में कितने units हो जाएंगे?
6.
6. And what about 2, 2?
We'll add 2 units.
2 units. There were no units here. I am putting a plus sign. That means I am putting 2 units in this cell. So this cell has become occupied and the cell above to that has become unoccupied. Okay. So what happens here? Tell me. आपके 2 units आपने जहां से निकाले हैं, what is the cost of transportation there? 7 rupees.
7.
So how much amount is reduced? 7 into 2, 14 rupees is reduced, right? Right? First, let us see
Yes,
negatively signed cell से कितना कम हो रहा है. Then we will see. From there, 14
Almost
rupees
8
are
units.
reduced. And from here, 8 rupees are reduced. So totally how much amount is reduced? 22. Right? But for the cell 1, 3 had 3 units only. Now it has 5 units. Okay. So how much amount is increased? 4 into 2, 8 rupees. Okay. 22 is reduced, 8 is increased. So consequently, how much is reduced? Are you getting it, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
And here also 6 rupees are increased. There 8 rupees are increased. 6 plus 8, 14 rupees are increased. And 22 are reduced. Okay. So let us calculate the TP cost once again with these new allocations. 5 into 4 plus 2 into 3 plus 6 into 1 plus 7 into 4 plus 7 into 1 plus 7 into 2. So what is it?
81 ma'am. 81.
2 ही रुपए आते हैं कम.
Yes, ma'am.
₹2 are reduced. Okay. Have you understood it, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will check whether this new solution of where the TP cost is 81 rupees is optimal or not. We have to check this now. Okay. So let us write the new solution once again, and again we will apply MODI. We have to carry forward this method till we confirm that the solution is optimal. Okay. Yes, could you please tell me the answers, values, TP cost, and the allocations? I remember this is 7, this is 7, this is 7.
Ma'am, first row, first column 2, the TP cost.
Hmm. Tell me row
Then
wise.
7,
Tell
7,
me row
4.
wise.
Yes, ma'am. 4. Then 3, 3, 1. Second row. 3, 3, 1. Then third row, 5, 4, 7. Last row, 1, 6, 2. And ma'am, allocations are first row, last column is 5
Hmm.
and 7, 6. Yes, ma'am. That's it.
Correct? Okay, so
Yes,
now we need to check whether this solution is optimal or not. So again, we will repeat the same procedure. Find the values of U1, U2, U3, V1, V2, V3, जितने कुछ है. Find DIJs and apply the criteria, etc. Okay. So this is U1, U2, U3, and U4. There are 4 rows. V1, V2, and V3. Yes. So which variable you will set equal to 0? First of all, you need to check the non-degeneracy also. Because sometimes what happens, here only one cell became unoccupied. Because देखो girls, यहाँ पे 2 number था. Can you see this? I'm back to the old page. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पे 2 है और यहाँ पे क्या नंबर है? 8. So numbers are different here, and that's why only one minimum number will appear. But in case here in place of 8, if I have number 2 only, so what would be minimum of 2, 2?
2.
2. So naturally you will take 2 units from here and you will take 2 units from here also. And the cell, these two cells at a time will become unoccupied, isn't it? Do you understand it? Right
Yes.
now, what has happened? This cell, I am marking it as star, it has become unoccupied, right? And this cell has become dot wala. This cell has become occupied. So number of cells is getting balanced here. Again, you get the same number of allocations. But when you are adjusting these units, if at all the negatively signed cells have same number of units placed, those cells will become unoccupied at a time. If that number is more than 1, you are bound to get less number of allocations. जैसे कि ये निकल जाता, this allocation you would not have, right? And then number of allocations would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then the solution will become degenerate. Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that is not happening here. You are getting one occupied cell and one cell is becoming unoccupied. So number of cells is again equal to m plus n minus 1. But you have to always mention it somewhere. Please do not forget this m plus n minus 1 cells. Okay. Therefore, solution is non-degenerate. Because if it is degenerate, then you will have to resolve the degeneracy. Okay. Yes. Now, yes, which variable you will set equal to 0? Tell me. You have 7 variables and 6 equations. So one variable,
V3.
V3, yes, because it will appear in maximum number of equations. So what will be the value of U1? This 0 plus U1 is equal to 4. What is the formula? C11 is equal to Cij is equal to Ui plus Vj, and Dij equal to Cij minus Ui plus Vj. Yes. Leona, you want to say something? What is the value of U1?
4, ma'am.
4. U2?
1,
1. U4?
2.
So in one stroke, you are getting 3 variables values because you are setting V3 equal to 0. Okay, next. Now you can use this U4 equal to 2 to find out V1. 2 plus something is equal to 1. So that is minus 1. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can use U2 equal to 1 to find V2. U2 plus V2 is equal to 3.
2.
V2 is 2.
V2 is 2.
Yes. Now let us calculate Dijs.
Ma'am, U3 is also 2.
Yeah, U3 I forgot. U3 is also 2. I forgot to calculate. Yes, U3 is also 2. So you are getting UIs and Vjs very easily. Now tell me first D11. D11.
Minus 1.
You have to first add corresponding UIs and Vjs. So U1 is 4 and V1 is minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 4 minus 1.
3.
3.
So D11 is equal to C11 minus U1 plus V1. So C11 is 2 minus U1 is 4 and V1 is minus 1. So that is 2 minus 3. That is minus 1.
Minus 1.
Please be careful while calculating this. Yes. And if your UI Vjs are wrong, your Dijs will go wrong. D12. So this minus 1 indicates what? Tell me. The very first value is negative. That means your solution
It
is
is not an optimal solution.
solution is it optimal?
Not an optimal
It is
solution.
not
Not
an
optimal solution. Yes. D12 कितना आ रहा है देखो. Add the corresponding variables U1 and V2. 4 plus 2 6. 6 you have to subtract from 7. So answer is 1. D21. D21
That's 3. 3.
1 minus 1 0 so 3. D31 4.
4.
D33 5.
5.
And D42 is
2.
2. Okay, so only one negative value is coming, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So how we can form the loop? Tell me.
Ma'am, the 4 corner cells.
This dot wala, then you have to move in 180 degrees. So this occupied cell, then do not include this. Bipashini, do
The
you
last
understand
cell.
it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then include this and include this. Okay? So आपका loop बन जाएगा इस तरह से. Okay, please skip this 6 wali cell, 2, 3 cell you have to skip. Now where should I put plus sign?
I'm in the first cell.
In the first cell plus sign. So here it will be minus.
Minus.
Then again plus,
Plus.
minus. Yes. So what is minimum of क्या ढूंढना है आपको?
Minimum of 5 and 7.
Correct. Negatively signed cell में जितने units है as x13 is 5 and x41 is 7 have negative sign in the loop. Okay? इसलिए हमें उनमें से minimum ढूंढना है. So therefore minimum of 5 and 7 is 5. Therefore we adjust how many units? 5 units
5 units.
in all the cells which are in the loop. Okay, therefore we adjust 5 units in all the cells which are in the loop. And the cells which are not in the loop, जैसे कि ये 2 है, I'm making a star, and these three cells will remain as they are. There will be no changes in the units placed. Finished writing this? Finished or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can I erase this part? We will write the new solution here itself. Yes. 274 331 547 162. So I'm writing these old cells where there is no change. The cells which are not in the loop, those allocations I'm keeping as they are. Now let us start with the very first cell. How many units I have to put here?
5.
5 units. Okay. So these are new cells which I'm writing with green color. These are new cells or new allocations. 5. Then these 5 units I have to take out from this cell 1, 3. So 1, 1 is becoming occupied and 1, 3 is becoming unoccupied. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm taking 5 units from the destination 3. So I have to adjust those units somewhere. So here I'm putting 5 units more. So 7 plus 5 will become 12. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
here, from here, as I have put 5 units here, I cannot give more than required units. So I have to take out 5 units from 7. So this will become 2. Again, how many allocations you have? What is the number of allocations?
6 allocations.
6. Find out the TP cost.
76.
Vale. Check for optimality again. Again, you have to find out DIJs, UIs, VJs, and DIJs for this new solution. So will you complete this problem now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, complete it and continue. I have got a meeting. You do not leave. Bipashini, will you please take attendance at the end?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm keeping the meeting on. Okay, girls? Or you want to leave? You complete this problem. Come on, girls, answer my question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This is
Okay,
the
so
optimal
what you
solution.
do now?
All DIJs are greater than 0.